In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add organizations to your LinkedIn profile. This is a great way to showcase your affiliations, community involvement, or any professional memberships that highlight your skills and interests beyond your work experience. So let's get started by heading over to LinkedIn. First, open your web browser and visit linkedin.com. Make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll find your profile icon. Click on that icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select View Profile. This will take you to your personal LinkedIn profile page where you can begin making edits. Once you're on your profile page, look for the option that says Add Profile section. This option is typically located near your profile picture or header section. Click on it and you'll see a list of different sections you can add to your profile. For our purpose, you'll want to select Additional. Clicking on Additional will further expand your options, and here you'll find Add Organizations. Now click on Add Organizations to proceed to the specific section where you can input details about the organizations you're affiliated with. You'll see a few fields where you can start filling in the information. First, type in the name of the organization you want to add. Make sure the spelling is correct because LinkedIn's database may automatically suggest official options as you type. After entering the organization name, you'll need to specify the position you held or currently hold within that organization. This is an excellent opportunity to highlight any key roles or responsibilities you have undertaken. Next, you'll select with which aspect of your profile this organization is associated. This contextualizes your membership or position within your overall professional narrative. Additionally, there's an option to indicate whether your membership is ongoing. Simply check or uncheck the membership ongoing box accordingly. This is useful for providing accurate information if your role with the organization has ended. Following that, set the starting date for when you became associated with the organization by selecting the appropriate month and year. If your membership has concluded, you can also set an end date in the same manner. Now, one of the most significant steps is writing a brief description of your involvement. Make sure your description is clear and highlights relevant achievements or skills gained during your membership. This is your chance to add personal insight and depth to your LinkedIn profile. After you've filled in all the necessary information and are satisfied with how it looks, the final step is to click on Save. This action will ensure that all your changes are updated and reflected on your profile. And there you have it, your LinkedIn profile should now be updated with your organizational affiliations, making it even more comprehensive and appealing to viewers. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your LinkedIn presence.